I'm having an emergency. It's going to land at this nearby airport. The United just disappeared. Okay. Hopefully it lands. Is it on the ground? It's a 0 feet and it's 158 knots. It's landing. Yep. Definitely landed, and the fire and stuff is coming, hopefully. Yep, they're definitely coming. They're probably going to request fire. Let's see, where is them? And just get up close. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. In the middle of the runway. See? Middle of the runway. Oh, there we go. This has had an emergency and I'm like the first one to upload a video about it. 15 knots. It's definitely not going to taxi, Hannah. Shouldn't be taxiing. Okay, they coming. They're not coming at all. But it does have an emergency. Doesn't look like it's moving. Because look, it's not moving anywhere. So yeah, first to record about this probably. Look at that. FDX flight 4630. Who's had an emergency and now landed? Yes, okay, thank you, bye.